What's up, guys? First, I'm just trying to get more people to use my utility because ffViewer is very good, but it's becoming outdated and the author is no longer supporting the software. So this is just to try to help some people open up fast files for and create profiles for fast files that I have not created already. The version ffManager I'll be using is 1.1. This as at the point in time that I'm recording this, that version is not released, but it will be released very soon, and has a lot of new neat features. So to add support for a fast file, like maybe the common in PFFs or some random fast file that is not that a profile is not included for. You need the following programs, and this is how I do it and how I use it. You need Notepad++, ffViewer, ironically, yes, it has a slight use for what we do. You need ffManager so you can actually open up with it, and you need HXC. So first, let's go and extract out right here, ffManager to one. And now let's just go right here. Now I believe patch MP card 5 Xbox. Okay, here's the card. Here's card 4 for Xbox. This is keep in mind this has some abilities that yours does not, because it's not updated yet. Don't worry about that. So console. Okay. Now, let's say we would want to. Let's say we would want to let's say we wanted to mapped MP game types cost for whatever reason. What we would do is, as you can see, the patch is right in the extract, so there's an extract folder for it right here. Wait, let me double check that. No, that's a different extract folder. It'll extract out, and then for Xbox it'll be only one file. So what we'll do is we'll take this and put this into HXC. Yeah, it's extract from it. The file will extract to with like the name of it in it. So card for Xbox extract. Card for Xbox extract. You put this in HXD. Then what you'll do is for the GC it'll be maps MP game types cost. Control find. So we'll just find go cost.gsc, search in all, go to OK. Then right here what you'll do is you'll see that there's a header right here, all these little weird characters, the name, GC, and then you have a dot, which is a null character or null byte, and then you have the contents. What you'll do is you want to put your cursor right where it starts after the null byte, and just put it right there. Then go to edit, select block. Now here's what we need ffViewer for, not ffManager. We need to go ffViewer. We need to go ffViewer. Got for Xbox. Put that into ffViewer. It'll open up some way. And then at what we can see right here is cost is 24333 bytes long. So what we'll do here is it's on hex by default. we want to go to dec, aka just numbers, not hexadecimal, and then you go to length. So the length is 24333. It now, as you can see, it selects all. And then there's a null byte right there, and then before the next header for the next GSC in line, where it selects all of it, we'll just go back to select block, go ahead, and now you can see the start offset, the end offset, and the length. Now, what we need now is Notepad++. Now, here's what we do to create the profile. Now, this is XML, and this should be quite simple. We type a profile tag and close the profile tag. The console, we make a console tag. It's Xbox. And the version is COD 4. Now that could be COD 5. That could be COD 5. That could be COD 4. And W2 that will support it. Now console for now could be Xbox or PS3. At the current moment, Wii's not supported, but I might look into Wii. Profile version. Now, what we want to do is we want to add a file tag. File name equals, well, to be easier on ourselves, let's just go right here, rename, copy this, all of this, and then go file, paste it. We just make the name of it for whatever, and size equals, we can take the size from HXD, the whole GSC, put the size right there. Duh. Now, we need to add a data file tag. The reason for this is this ffManager is designed so it can get data from multiple files, mainly because of how PS3 works, and you can see that by extracting out a PS3 patch and looking in the raw file extract folder and seeing all the files. The GSCs are split between multiple files, so it's needed to get from all of them to open them up correctly. So data file name since for here don't really need to bother seeing what's on my computer. Not that it's going to help you with any retail stuff, but that's my personal stuff. The data file name would go, let's go to buffer extract. The data file name will be the file name right here, but without the DAP extension. You take the name of it, but without the extension. Period. No extension. You just put it right there. Start position equals what the start position is the start offset is that, put it in, and in position equals that, and you need to be sure to put a slash there. That's basically shorthand for putting slash data file. You can either do that, or you can do that. Yeah. So maybe we'll go to file, or test profile.ffxml. That's a file extension for FastFile Profiles for my program. FastFile XML Profiles, ffXML Profiles. Just save it. Now let's go in here. File close. File open. let's go to COD 5, COD 4 Xbox. Now let's go to the desktop. Let's find that little profile we made earlier. And look here. It extracts it all just as needed. And all you need to do was the name, size, a tag, the raw file, the start and end position, and it's done. Now, if you want, say we have multiple files right here, we just put multiple files, put the raw file, the start and end position, and it takes it all. Say we had an RGSC we wanted. I just copy and paste. Take the file tags, change the file name, the size, and the offsets and positions, and it's done. And also, if you wanted to, you can go to. Also, what I recommend as well is going to going to here, putting your code in, submitting it, and then it'll automatically format it for you. So I know I might have gone a little fast on this tutorial, but it's just to show you that you can really open up, map anything you want, honestly. And PS3 is harder than Xbox with the fact that how the compression is, but it's still possible to make a profile for PS3. And once you have it, it's a lot easier to open up PS3 for like COD 5 and COD 4. And yeah, so this program works a lot faster. Some new feature of the program is the ability to strip comments. It will strip all comments, and then you can compact the code. Watch this. 22998 converse. It's now 2091901, all compressed. Other tools include new preferences, where you can save on file selection change. Basically, if we have multiple files and we change something in one of the GCs, when we click the another GC, it'll automatically save that GC we were last on before switching. Autosave periodically, we'll be able to save it'll automatically save the GC we're currently on every X minutes. And then FastFiles folder, you can select whatever folder you want. And my computer, for example, local disk, we want to do that. Save it. Whoopsie, we need to disable that. My bad, I forget to do that. Save it. Close. File open. And then look at that. It takes you right to the folder you're in. You want to be in. Simple as that. Now, if you want to remove that in the new program, just delete that. Save it. File open. And yeah. So that's some new features of what my program has. Software. Oh yeah, now, and also the program has shortcuts for everything now. So, and tabbing works, a lot of bug fixes, a lot of new abilities. So yeah, just the more people who download my program, the sooner I release this. And I hope you learned on how to make the basics on making a FastFile profile. If anyone needs any help, just contact me. I can help you out with doing this. It's not really that hard at all. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you around on TGG, Next Gen Update, and GetOModding.com. Peace, guys.